Bonjour, bonjour les amis. Comment ça va? Do you remember what that question means? Comment ça va? Comment ça va means how are you? And my answer to that is ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien means everything is going great today, and merci means thank you. Let's try it together. Comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. Today's lesson, my friends, we're going to learn how to write sentences. Des phrases. Wow! And we're going to learn whether a word is feminine or masculine. Féminin ou masculin. A lot of fun today. So, just a minute before we begin. What do we have to do? Do you remember? Someone is missing. Ah, did you say bonjour, Ananas? Let's try it again. Bonjour, Ananas. Oh, la voici, Ananas. Ah, Ananas, comment ça va? Est-ce que ça va bien? Oui, ça va bien aujourd'hui. Oui, she's very excited for our class today. I hope you're excited too. Alors, on va commencer, les amis, par choisir une couleur. Alors, on va choisir. Répète les couleurs après moi. Noir, blanc, rose, violet, bleu, vert, jaune, orange, rouge. Would you like to choose the color today? Tu veux choisir la couleur? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Vert, d'accord, c'est le vert aujourd'hui. So this series is called French with Ananas, and this is lesson 1.12 A sound. Leçon 1.12 son A. Bravo! Alors on va commencer mes amis. Oh, ananas. Wow! This is Ananas' very favorite word in the whole world. Do you know why? Oui, parce que she is an ananas. Bravo! So my friends, Madame has added, actually these are two little words separated by a little apostrophe here. So this word says j'ai. J'ai means I have. Now, this next part in blue, this says un, ananas. So maybe you remember from the other A sound video, ananas is an A sound word. But how do we know if it's masculine or feminine? Well, here's a clue right here. If it says un, the word is masculine. Un ananas. Now, be careful because we are not saying that the fruit is a boy or a girl, but the name of the fruit. So the name of the fruit is masculine, masculin, un ananas. So for example, even though Ananas, our friend here, Ananas, is a girl, the actual word ananas is masculine. So we're going to say, j'ai un ananas. Can you repeat that after me? J'ai un ananas. I have an ananas. Good job. Bravo. That's the way we do it. Do you remember the word for this? Oui? Ananas, oui? She remembers. Do you remember? Oh, une vache. Now you will see Madame has added an E. So this means that the word vache is a feminine word. C'est féminin. Une vache. Now let's say the whole sentence together. Now the French word for sentence is phrase, une phrase. So let's say the phrase all together. J'ai une vache. Encore. J'ai une vache. Bravo! That's the way we do it. On continue, mes amis. Oh, do you remember this word? Ah, ananas, oui. C'est une casquette. So you see, we have an E at the end here. That means that the word casquette is féminin, feminine. Une casquette. Let's read the whole sentence. Toute la phrase. J'ai une casquette. And that's true. I'm wearing my casquette aujourd'hui. Can we say that again? J'ai une casquette. Bravo. On continue. Oh, wow. Did you remember the word for this? Abeille. And abeille is a feminine word. So see, there's an E at the end. So we will say une abeille. Now, on va dire toute la phrase au complet. J'ai une abeille. J'ai une abeille. Bravo! On continue, mes amis. Oh, ananas. Delicious. Do you remember the word for this? Oui. Oui, those are delicious. Des carottes. Now, see here, we have a whole bunch. So we're going to say, when there's lots, we say des carottes. So the sentence, la phrase for this one is j'ai des carottes. Can you say that again? J'ai des carottes. What's that, Anana? What if Madame only has one? If I only had one, une carotte, would it be masculine or feminine? Well, look over here. I see the E at the end. So I'm going to say j'ai une carotte. So carotte is feminine. Can you repeat after me? J'ai une carotte. Yay! Wow! You are really getting this. Bravo! Oh, Anana. There's a question, une question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? What do you think, Anana? Qu'est-ce que tu penses? Qu'est-ce que tu penses? J'ai mon sac ici. J'ai mon sac, Anana. Regarde. C'est mon sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? Inside, dans le sac. On va regarder. Anana, tu veux mettre ta main dans le sac? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans? Oh, Anana. Oh, there's something that belongs to Anana. Oh, do you remember the name for this? Une casquette. Casquette. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, she wants to put it on. Okay. How about like this? C'est une casquette. Now, Anana, can we make a sentence? Une phrase? I guess Anana can say, j'ai une casquette. Can you repeat that? J'ai une casquette. Mes amis, I hope you had a lot of fun today learning about les phrases, and we'll see you in our next video. Do you remember how to say goodbye? Au revoir. You say au revoir, madame. Au revoir, Anana. Au revoir, les amis.